Welcome to JSJ Goat Farm. Here in our videos, we will show you how we do things in the farm and keep you updated with the latest technologies we are using.
Hello guys.
What are the females?
Yeah.
The ones you saw before with the mums. So we had to take them away, the boys, because they were getting too active.
Yep.
So you separate. So the boys, Justin, we separate them at around 3 months
Yeah, exactly.
because they're starting to get active. But the girls, there's no need. If they can
Sort of June-ish.
around June,
And the last one's October, November, December.
so you can see now good size. Justin, you got an idea of the age, and now we'll look at the next paddock where they're 3 months younger, and you can see how much. Come on. But there will be maybe 2 or 3 in here for sale.
2017, 2 years old. Yeah.
18 months to 24 months. Yeah, but the big white one, he's older, and I don't think he's for sale. I don't know. He might be, but there's half of the others would be for sale. Yeah, some of them got some have got written.
The lighter one or the darker one?
Now this fella here
Oh, okay.
is for sale. You're not getting them two.
Ginawa kong collateral.
Bent horn.
How old is this guy?
He's not 12 months yet. He's still a kid. So 4. Merlin was his father. Merlin was the grandfather of them. He's got a bit to answer for. Jan.
Hello.
I wanted to take her to the show because she's got a good body, but she's a bit fluffy.
In March, and you'd have green feed here to your ankles, but we've got no water, 0 water this year, so we've got very limited what we can water.
Barangay Boer.
Trying to get a good size, big upscale and go.
Thanks for watching, guys. Please do us a favor and like, and subscribe this video.